Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I am Sunil Merwani and today we will be doing this chapter called as process costing. Let's see this. I am doing sum number 11 today, illustration 11. Let's see this. In the books of XYZ company, in the books of Messrs X, Y and Z. Okay. They're saying that Messrs XYZ company manufactures a chemical which passes through three processes. The following particulars have been gathered for the month of Jan 2006. Material in liters. So process 1 to material in liters, they are saying that 400 liters. Okay. And the cost is given to you as 38,400. To wages are given to you as 7680, right? That's it. Then for process 2 they said that to material is 208 units at 18,800. To wages is 7,600. Next, to material is 168 units and the amount is given to you as 6,000. And to wages is given to you as 2,200. Fine. This is the data given to you. Now, they've given you that overheads are charged at the rate of 50% of direct wages. Guys, if you see the last line of the sum, this is given to you in the last line of the sum. Overheads are charged at 50% of direct wages. So this is going to be to direct wages. Direct wages are 50% of this is going to be to overheads, not direct wages. To overheads is 50% of direct wages. 50% of direct wages, that is going to be 3840. Guys, how did I do this? 7680 into 50%. Then similarly for process 2, this is going to be to overheads, 50% of this. So 3800. To overheads, 50% of this, 1100. Fine. Okay. Once this is done, let's move on ahead. They've given you that. Let's first add this. This total is going to be 400 units. 38,400 plus 7680 plus 3840 is 49,920. To process 1 units is 400 and this is rupees is 49,420, right? Next, you have normal loss. Now they've given you normal loss is 4%. So you will take 4% of the units. So 4% of this is going to be 16. 4% of this is going to be 16. How did I get this? 400 into 4%. They've given you scrap value is nil. So this is nil. 384. 49,420. Get the CPU first. CPU will be how much? 49,420. 49,000. This should be 920. 49,920. Guys, that total is going to be 49,920. Right? Now 49,920 divided by 384 should give you 130. Should give you a CPU of 130. 49,920 divided by 384 will give you a CPU of 130. Now they've said that output transferred to the next process and output transferred to warehouse. So here instead of abnormal loss and actual output, you will have next process and warehouse. Right? Now they are saying that 50% of the output is transferred to the next process. 50%, that means 192. Right? The transfer always takes place at CPU. So 192 multiplied by 130 is 24,960. So your balance is going to be again 192, 24,960. Fine, do we get this thing clear? Now let's transfer this. This is going to be by normal loss. Normal loss is 16 and nil. This is transfer to next process will be called as process 2 is 192 and 24,960, and transfer to warehouse, this is going to be by transfer to warehouse is 192 and 24,960. Tally this. If you tally this, this will give you 400, and this is nothing but 49,920. 400 and 49,920. Whatever is to be transferred to process 2 will get transferred, so that is on the credit side there. It will come here on the debit side to process 1, 192 and 24,960. Right? Now add this. If you add this, you will get this as 192 plus 208 should give you 400. In terms of units, you will get 400, and in terms of rupees, 24,960 plus 18,800 plus 7,600 plus 3,800 should give you 55,160. 55,160. Right? Now, your normal loss is given to you as 5%. So you will calculate 5% on 400. Right? 5% on 400 is going to be 20. They have given you that normal loss is at the rate of 3 rupees per liter. Right? So 20 into 3, 60. This is going to be 380, and this is 55,100. Get the CPU. How do I get the CPU? 55,100 divided by 380. I presume it comes to 145. Right? Now you will have next process and warehouse. Now they have given you that 40% of the output is transferred to the next process and 60% is warehouse. So you will have to do 40% of 380. 40% of 380 is going to be 152. This is to be done at the rate of CPU. Right? So you will have 152 into 145, which will be 22,040. 22,040. Transfer to warehouse is going to be 60%. So 60% of 380. 60% of 380 is going to be 228. Multiply that by the CPU. 228 into 145 is 33,060. Some of you will say, sir, why did you go in for such a difficult method? You could have just subtracted and done it also. Guys, here it is okay because I am transferring to warehouse. But you will have sums where you will have to sell the product, where you cannot subtract and do it. Therefore, I would like you to learn this method. Always do the calculation at CPU only. Right? Let's transfer this. This is going to be by normal loss. Normal loss is 20 and 60 by process 3. Process 3 is 152 and 22,040, and this is by transfer to warehouse. transfer to warehouse is 228 and 33060. Tally this. If I tally this, this will become 400 and this will become 55,160, 400 and 55,160. Transfer this here. This is going to be 2 process 2. Amount is 228 and 33060. Right? Now let's see this for process 3. You have 228. That's my transfer to warehouse. Process 3 is 152 and 22040. Right? 152 and 22040. Now 152 plus 168 is going to give you 320. So in terms of units, you will have 320 rupees. 22040 plus 6000 plus 2200 plus 1100 will be 31,340. 31,340. Right? Now your normal loss. Normal loss is given to you as 5%. So you will calculate 5% on 320. 5% on 320 is going to be 16 units. Fine. Now they haven't said that there's any realizable value. Since there is no realizable value, this amount will be nil. They haven't given you scrap value, guys. So this will become 304 and 31,340. Get your CPU. 304 divided by 31,340 is going to be 103.09. Is going to be 103.09. Okay. Now let's find out the transfer and that is your next process. Transfer to next process and warehouse. Right? Your transfer to next process is given to you as nil. So the entire amount will come down here, 304 into 103.09, 31,340. Guys, you will say, sir, you can directly bring this down. Please learn the right method. When you have sale and that also at a sale price, this method will, if you learn this method, you will be in a problem. Then you will have to remember 2 methods. So it is always better to learn one correct method. Okay, let's do this. This is going to be by a normal loss is 16 and nil by transfer to warehouse. Transfer to warehouse is 304 and 31,340. Tally this. If you tally this, this is going to be 320 and 31,340. 320 and 31,340. They haven't asked you abnormal loss, abnormal gain, or costing P&L or normal loss, so that finishes your sum. These were the only 3 accounts they had asked you. We'll stop here for the day. Thank you very much.